In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload audio here in Canva. Now to do this, we want to come over to the upload section. If we click on there, we can directly upload our audio into here, and it's going to go into the folder where it says audio. So if we go back onto images, let's take our audio file and just drag and drop like so. Now, as you can see, it's uploaded into the audio folder. And we can preview the audio by clicking on play, like so. And if we want to delete this, we can click onto the three dots, go to delete, and it's going to delete that. Or we can also download that file as well. Now, one thing that you can't do, which I'll quickly say, is upload into your own folders. So right here, I have a folder which I created. It's called YouTube. Let's say I wanted to upload this file into this folder. As you can see, it's not going to let me. It's automatically going to upload into the audio folder. So that's how to upload audio here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.